Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be painting beautiful coconut tree silhouette on our fusion of blue and pink sky background. So after watching the full video, please comment and let me know what you think about this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps and motivates me. To paint the white cloud, I've used titanium white and lemon yellow. Top layer of sky is painted with the cobalt blue. Second layer with the combination of cobalt blue and titanium white color. Tinted pink shade is given by mixing crimson pink and cobalt blue. Dark clouds have been painted with Prussian and cobalt blue along with titanium white. Finally, black color is used for coconut tree leaves. These are the brushes which I've used for the painting. This one is all-purpose paint brush to spread the color in large area easily and fast. This one is mop blending brush to blend all the shades of different color to paint the sky. Flat brush to further blend the color of sky. Filbert brush for cloud, round brush for trees, flat angular brush for leaves of coconut tree, and liner brush for further details. Now finally, let's start painting on canvas. The size of canvas is 12 by 16 inches. While painting the cloud, hold the brush very softly, very gently, and just tap on the canvas. Light taps, just the light taps. Take your time to blend the color. Move your brush very softly, gently. Take your time. Brush to make the leaves of coconut tree. Help of this brush, first paint the base of the leaf and thereafter use liner brush for the detail pattern. By doing this, the painting will be more defined. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.